Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use Google Find My Device 2026. In 2026, Google's Find My Device, often referred to as Find Hub, has expanded into massive crowdsourced network that can locate your Android devices even when they are offline or powered off. Now, first of all, you have to go through the initial setups. Now, to enable this feature, all you have to do is go ahead and open your browser or head to Google settings. From there, tap on your manage your account option and you will be able to find this option within security and sign in. And what you can do is go ahead to your browser and just type in find your phone option, and from there you should be able to find, you will be relocated or you will be sent to this new window where you can find this option called find your phone. Now all you have to do is go ahead and select on your specific device. And once you select that specific device, you should be sent to this new window from where you can view where your phone is currently. And that is how you can use Google Find My Device to search for your device. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.